हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज़ मनीषा राय। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ल्यूसिड क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मई मंथ की टॉप 5 करंट अफेयर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, वर्ल्ड रेड क्रॉस डे ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन, दिस इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 8th of May, and the key point is World Red Cross Day is observed on 8th May every year, and the theme of the World Red Cross Day on 2020 is Be Humankind. Okay, and the aim is to protect life, health, and to ensure respect for every human beings. And the first Red Cross Day was celebrated on May 8, 1948. Okay. Next, question 2. According to recently announcement, which company will be merged with Mindtree? Answer is L&T Infotech. And the key point is L&T Infotech, Mindtree announced merger to create country's 5th large IT services provider. And the second key point is the combined entity will be known as LTI Mindtree. Question number 3. Recently, Pfizer inaugurated the Global Drug Development Center at which IIT institute? Answer is IIT Madras. And the key point is Pfizer opens Global Drug Development Center at IIT Madras Research Park campus. And the second key point is this is first of kind in Asia. Through this, student, scientists and leading industry startups will foster great collaboration between industry and academic. So इसके इनॉग्रेट के लिए नियर अबाउट $20 million का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया गया है. And while this center will be part of a network of 12 global centers set up worldwide, it is the first and only one at present being set up by Pfizer in Asia. Okay. Question number 4. Which Games 2022 in China postpones to 2023? Answer is Asian Games. And the key point is the Asian Games 2022, due to be held in Hangzhou, China in September, has been postponed to 2023 due to raising COVID-19 cases in the country. केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं कोविड-19 के, दैट्स वाई इसको पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया है 23 के लिए. ओके. एंड द सेकंड की पॉइंट इज द गवर्निंग बॉडी फॉर द एशियन गेम्स सेड इट विल बी अनाउंसेस द न्यू डेट्स फॉर द 19 एडिशन ऑफ द गेम्स. ये हमारा एशियन गेम का 19 एडिशन है. ओके. नेक्स्ट है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. पीएम मोदी एड्रेसेस द G2 Connect 2022 launching session. This is launched on 6th of May, and G2 Connect 2022 in 3 days events organized at Pune from May 6 to 8, and will encompass multiple sessions on diverse issues relating to businesses and economy. And the full form of G2 is Jan International Trade Organizations, and the objective is create platform for young entrepreneurs for right business contacts, and next, promote in governance and politics and value-based people, and to channelize, utilize, and systematic efforts towards creating a bright future for the youth. So this is the objective of G2. So ये थे हमारे टॉप 5 करंट अफेयर्स मई मंथ के. I hope you like my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel Lucid Classes. Thank you.